game which will be played by Barangay Linienza versus Barangay San Pedro. Mga kasenso, no, ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel, o sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sports Channel Official. Mga kasenso, pwede usab kaayo ka mo nga mo bisita diri sa atong Pagalan City Covered Court para personal ka mo nga maka-witness o maka-cheer sa atong mga game. So mga kasenso, fasten your seatbelts, relax, and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchand Carpentero. Padayon pag-asenso, pagadian.
Kalunga pa doy. All under jersey number 50. First personal foul. First team foul. San Pedro. Rolando. Foul jersey number 9, De Los Santos. First personal foul, second team foul, San Pedro. Colorado. Time out, Tabor. Official time.
Sound check, sound check.
Uy, di.
Bakit late ka? Ay, hamutan kayo. And back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso with 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ato ang first quarter. It was an official tables timeout mga ka-Asenso. May tungod ngayon tayo na technical error gamay sa ato ang scoreboard. And now it's okay. So we're back to our ball game. 12-11 ang score. Pasensya kaayo no. Kay kuan alang tigi ayo gamay nga technical error ha. At least karon na ayo na. It's Barangay San Pedro versus Barangay Lenienza. Lenienza up by 3 points. Ball stolen by number 9 and intercepted by De Los Santos. No look pass para kay Cabarrubias. And Cabarrubias, what a nice fake there from the baseline. 1 point lead for Barangay Linienza. Udin with the ball. Udin to number 7. Umatake. Nakalusot. No good. Tapay ka ng bola. Number 6 with the rebound. Passing it to De Los Santos. De Los Santos to Carpentero. Good look here for De Los Santos para kay Carpentero. 41 seconds. Balotaulo for 3. No good. Miguel with a rebound. Fast break pass para kay Carpentero against Claver. Carpentero scoop shot. Carpentero 4 straight points. 20 seconds left. Claver to Diva. Sa gitna, Diva bounce it off the rim. Good for 2. 5 seconds now to De Los Santos. 1 second left. Kinapos sa oras. And that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 16-17 ang score. Linienza up by 1 point. And second quarter. Claver, basket and a foul for Claver. Hinabol pa talaga ni number 17. Good effort there. But bad decision because he knows he'll commit a foul.
Foul jersey number 18, Carpentero. Sige, Bangis na yung Bangis. Personal foul.
Ball goes to Barangay San Pedro. Carpentero, 6 straight points for Carpentero. San Pedro up by 1. Claver to Udin. Udin to number 7. Balik kay Udin. Claver nangihingi ng bola. Udin, no look pass para kay Diva. Off the glass for Diva. Palitan ng score, mga ka-Asenso. Carion, balik kay Carpentero. Balik kay Carion. Fakes, drives, block by Padilla. Aurecilia, di ay. Bungabong. Yaway. Di pa mulingi. Bungabong will check in for Barangay Linienza. Bounce pass para kay number 17. Tumigay sa gitna, one-hander. Bungabong and Mige both in criminology. Both taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology sa St. Columban College. Si Mige first year, si Bungabong is second year. And ball stolen by Carpentero. Nabitawan pa! Labas ang tira. Sayang bola na yun. Now to Bungabong. Bounce pass inside. Intercepted by Mige. Stolen by Carion. Carion, 3 against 2. Good feed para kay Carpentero. Luwagpas ang tira. Resilia with a nice defensive rebound. Passing it to Udin. Now to Diva. Ball almost lost. Diva to Claver. And no good pa rin. Miggy fighting for that rebound. Stolen by Bungabong. Balik kay Diva. Inside. And another interception for number 17. Fast break pass again para kay Carpentero all the way. Very off the glass. Bungabong. And Resilia is fouled by number 17.
Foul jersey number 17.
Banggis. Banggis, no? Foul.
Second team foul. San Pedro. Jersey number 20, Udin. Warning for a dangerous play.
And Resilia nailing his second throw, 22-21. Lenienza up by 1. Carpentero now. To Carion. Balik kay Carpentero. To Banggis. Banggis. Labas, Carpentero. 5-second shot clock. Carion, one-hander, no good. Number 20 with the rebound. Carion, isa pa. Now to Miguel sa ilalim. 5-second shot clock. Carpentero to Carion. Sa gitna. No good pa rin. Diva now with the rebound. Claver almost lost the ball. To Resilia. Balik kay Claver. Now to Udin. Driving. Ball stripped from his hands. Jump ball. Position arrow. The ball says it will remain in Barangay Lenienza.
3 seconds to shoot.
Bungabong to Diva. Bungabong for 3. Short. Shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation.
Team will check in for Claver of Barangay Lenienza. Carpentero to Miguel. Driving. Nagdadalawang isip. Passing into Templa. Fakes. Balik kay Miguel. Turns around. To Carion. Another turn around. And is fouled by Udin.
Foul jersey number 20, Udin. First personal foul. First team foul. Lenienza.
And Carion missing his first throw. Second throw. Still missing it. Templa tinapik. Napunta kay Carion ang rebound na yon.
Shot clock 10.
To Banggis for 3. No good. Carion fighting for that rebound. Miguel gets it. To Carion. Inside. What a nice pass inside kay Templa. Pero supalpal si Templa sa ilalim. Traveling violation. Called against Resilia. And De Los Santos will check in for Banggis of Barangay San Pedro. Carpentero to Carion. To Templa. Balik kay Carion. Pasok yan. Sa gitna ni Carion. Now to Bungabong. Bungabong to Team.
Shot clock 10.
For 3. Off the mark. Udin with the rebound. Nabitawan pa. Buti na lang. Adyan si Resilia. For the follow. Carpentero. Crossover. Hesitation. Umatras. Passing into De Los Santos. Inside to Templa. Balik kay De Los Santos for 3. No good. Miguel. Turn around. Fakes. Fires. And is blocked by Diva.
Shot clock 10 seconds to shoot.
to Mige. Jumper no good. Diva with the rebound now. To Bungabong. Balik kay Diva. 24-23. Isa pa rin ang kalamangan ng Barangay Liniensa. To Bungabong for 3. Air ball. Good pass. Whoa! Good block for Diva. Ang ganda na sana ng pasa ni Carpentero para kay Mige. But Diva is there to deny the shot. Good defensive play for Diva. Templa now to Alhas. To Carrion. Balik kay Alhas. Mige. To Templa. Ball stripped from his hands by Diva. Stolen by Diva. Passing ito Claver. Nabalik kay Udin. Udin to Diva. What a play by Barangay Liniensa. With that transition offense and a teamwork. Udin with a behind the back pass para kay Diva.
First personal foul. Third team foul. San Pedro.
Agawan ang bola. And now to Cabarubias. 26-23. Liniensa up by 3. Alhas to Mige. To Cabarubias sa ilalim. Good fake. Bounce pass para kay Mige sa ilalim. Pinasa pa kay Carrion. Sayang ang bola na yon. Butin lang. The ball will remain in Barangay San Pedro with 6-second shot clock. Cabarubias to Carrion. Hesitation. Floater. Missed. Balotaulo with the rebound. Balotaulo to Claver. Open for 3. And missing it. Diva with the rebound. Stolen by Alhas. Pass break pass para kay De Los Santos. And yes sir for De Los Santos. Balotaulo to Resilia. Ball strip again by Alhas. Second defensive play for Alhas. Carrion behind the back to De Los Santos. De Los Santos can't connect. Rebounded by Resilia. And is blocked by Cabarubias. Fast break pass para kay Carrion. Sayang, hindi nasalo. Lumusot sa mga kamay ni Carrion ang bola na yon. And a timeout called by Barangay San Pedro. As they trail by only 1 point with 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Oy, waswasi ko surbe. Para sa iyo. Kuya Wagalan, oy. Para sa iyo. Di tapansin ron diri sa comment section na ulian ang takong hilanat. Palangga ako. Din siya nagod kay ga-charge sa pakunon sa. Chillax lang. Shout out to Dong Brian Mejias. Greetings coming from Qatar. Guwapa ko, buot ka. Alright. 1 minute and 54. 26-25. Liniensa up by 1. Jingle. Balotaulo now to Claver. Good fake. Almost intercepted. Balik kay Balotaulo. Sa gilid para kay Resilia. Umatake. And there's a foul called against Alhas.
Foul jersey number 21.
Ay. Delikado eh.
Second personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Kabalaka kay namansin ako. Medyo busy lang gamay. No? Resilia Balik sa labas. Intercepted by Mige. Fast break para kay Alhas. Bounce pass to Mige. At kinaliwa ni Mige ang layup na yon. Mige taking up BS Criminology sa St. Columban College. Now to Diva. Ball strip by De Los Santos. Dabawi pa rin. Belotaulo sa ilalim. Bulot. 28-27. Isa pa rin ang kalamangan ng Linienza. As Mige has the ball. Carion. Now to Alhas. Fakes, drives, shot clock winding down. Tinapos sa oras. Shout out daw si Ray Majesty sa iyahang crush. Insa kay crush ani ni Ray, no? O, lami ra ba kay siya gismile? O, matay, gikilig na siya galanto ni sa iyahang crush ba? Sus! Pirmero ray kilig, ana. Sige lang, inulan ako imong crush ka, rebound pod ha. Belotaulo, high arcing shot. Bagsak silang dalawa ni Cabarrubias. As Diva. That's the end of our second quarter mga ka-Asenso. 30-27. 3-point lead for Barangay Linienza. 30-27. Ay. And back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso. Third quarter, Barangay San Pedro versus Barangay Santa Lucia. Uy, Boss Gab, regards ko ni Ginya sa likod. Nasa ladris ako likod. Classmate man sila ni Miggy. Heart pa say-say, oh. Kini ka si Rai Rai. Kisa ka ni crush ni Rai Rai, no? Na-intriga kay ko ba?
Personal foul. First team foul.
Cabarubias on the line, making the first free throw. Second throw. And it's good. Still a 1-point lead for Barangay Liniensa. And Bilis binawi. Now to Team Team. Team Team to Balotaulo. To Udin. Sa labas para kay Team Team. Nabakante for 3. Bang! Team Team hitting the wing 3 for Barangay Liniensa. 4-point lead for Barangay Liniensa. Now to Carpentero. Carpentero inside to Cabarubias. Muntika pang nabitawan. Mige to Mige. To Siren. No good. Cabarubias with the rebound. Lumos sa ilalom. Now to Balotaulo. Balotaulo to Claver. Straight from his hand by Carpentero, but he's fouled.
Foul jersey number 18, Carpentero. First personal foul. First team foul. San Pedro.
Udin, long pass para kay Team Team to Claver. Balik kay Udin sa ilalim, off the glass.
Udin.
For Udin. Carpentero to Saire. Balik kay Carpentero. Long 3. Bang! Carpentero draining that long 3-pointer for Barangay San Pedro. Siguro mga 2-3 feet, no, away from the 3-point line. Medyo layo-layo gito. Balotaulo to Claver. Attacking, ball strip from his hands. Now to Udin. Falls away. Too strong for that jumper. Udin to Balotaulo. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Balotaulo the jump shot. And no good. Another rebound for Udin. And it's blocked by Mige. Baby M with a defensive play there. And Saire unable to catch the ball. Oh, paningkamot diha. Rasmia Divas from Kem John Lopez Divas. Ball goes back to Barangay Liniensa. Sa second game, Bulatok Balintawak and San Jose Gatas. Team, oh, nice catch. Carrion. Carpentero all the way. Claver to Diva. And another steal by Alhas. Pangatlong steal na yan ni Alhas. Alhas, nice look para kay Mige. Fakes, fires, short. Diva now with a rebound. Let's go San Pedro. Jerlyn Ampak. Balotaulo, hindi na nag-effort pa si Carrion to block that shot. Masyado malaki si Balotaulo para sa kanya. Let's go San Pedro by Jerlyn Ampak. 37-24, 3-point lead for Barangay Liniensa. Carrion to Baby M. Jumper is good by Baby M. Baby M o Daddy M, both on the court. Claver to Udin. Low post. Diva with a jumper off the board. can't get it to go. Rebounded by Carrion. Fast break pass para kay Carpentero against Claver. Ball stripped from his hands. What a clean steal there by Claver. Claver, 1 against 3 to Balotaulo all the way by Balotaulo. (39-36) 3-point lead for Barangay Linjensa. Now to Baby M. Balik kay Alhas. Nabakante for 3. Too strong. Rebounded by Diva. Singer siguro ni si Diva, no? Diva man. Claver is fouled by Carpenter.
Second personal foul. Second deep foul. San Pedro. 40 seconds shot up. 40 seconds to shoot.
Claver. And another interception by Carrion. Pangalawa na yan.
Foul jersey number 7.
Huling-huli ni Carrion ang mga pasa.
First personal foul.
39-36. San Pedro trails by 3 points. Daddy M will sit back on the bench, be replaced by Cabarubias. And also De Los Santos will be on the court for Barangay San Pedro. Alhas making now a play to Cabarubias sa gitna. Heavy traffic. Pass intercepted by Udin. Udin all the way. Double dribble. Oops, out of bounds di ay. Double maganda to. Alhas. 39-36 pa rin. To De Los Santos. Balik kay Alhas. To Cabarubias. De Los Santos corner 3. Bang! De Los Santos 3-pointer in the face of Udin as Udin tries to defend that shot. Walang nagawa ang depensa ni Udin para sa tres ni De Los Santos. Claver. Balik kay Claver. To Balotaulo. And another steal for Barangay San Pedro. 3 against 1. Mige to Alhas. Balik kay Mige. Yes, sir! What a nice transition offense for Barangay San Pedro. The give and go between Alhas and Mige. Balotaulo. Double team. Outside to Diva. Fakes to Balotaulo sa ilalim. To Udin. Basket at may kasama pang foul for Udin. And we're tied at 41. But Udin will be on the line trying to complete a 3-point play. And will have a chance to take the lead. Udin, no good for that free throw. Tied at 41. Alhas. For 3. And no good. Gets his own rebound. Alhas, nice pass para kay Cabarubias. And Cabarubias is blocked for that shot from the baseline. Oy, shout out kay Jefferson Opsima of Barangay Balintawak. Ano, Opsima, Balintawak bang kano?
San Pedro.
And there's a foul called
Foul jersey number 20.
against Udin.
Third personal foul. Third team foul. Linienza.
Resilia will check in for Udin. Still tied at 41. Very close game. It's not that low scoring, but kusog lang yun ang depensa ang both teams. Mige over the head, no good. To number 7, to Bungabong sa labas. Bungabong looking for someone to pass. Resilia. Bolotaulo fakes. Floater is good by Bolotaulo. Woo. Alhas to Cabarubias, guarded by Bungabong. Carrion attacking, no good. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Bungabong. And out of bounds.
14 seconds, shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Carpentero. No look pass. Cabarubias sa ilalim. Natapik. Rebounded by number 7. Pass break pass. Now to Diba. Nabitawan and stolen by Carpentero. Shot at time winding down. Carrion. Hinapak. Garces. Bungabong to Garces to Resilia. 10 seconds game clock. Carrion. At umatake pa talaga. Pwede naman sanang itira for 3. Bungabong. Ay, kinapos.
And in the third quarter, this quarter is brought to you by
Shout out kay Johnson Libelo.
Tigger Arios.
Kaputi. Kaputi. Nakaputi.
Fourth and final quarter.
Kintab ng ulo ng ref Johnson Libelo. Fourth quarter mga ka-Asenso. Bungabong. Ball stolen from his hands. Now to Carpentero.
Carpintero!
Pangalawang beses na si Carpentero. Muntikan pa.
Foul jersey number 12, Bungabong. Jersey number 12, Bungabong.
And Bungabong committed an unsportsmanlike foul against Carpentero. So Carpentero will be on the line to take 2 free throws plus ball possession for Barangay San Pedro. Ayun, shout out po sa mga reps. JB Ayunan. Carpentero missing the first throw.
Substitution.
Bungabong will sit back on the bench. Alhas, Mige, floater, no good. Tapi ka ng bola, gets his own rebound and is blocked. Isa pang rebound para kay Mige. Carpentero, umatake, and another block for Barangay Linienza.
8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot.
8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Cabarubias outside to Mige, to Carpentero, 5 second shot clock. To Alhas, open for 3. Way off the mark, rebounded by Udin. Ball went to his feet and then stolen by Mige. San Pedro will have a chance to tie the game. Mige, stripped from his hands. Daddy M falls away. No good. Udin with a rebound. Now to Claver. To Diva. Against Carpentero. Diva with a height advantage. Basket at may kasama pang foul for Diva.
Foul jersey number 18, Carpintero. Third personal foul. First team foul, San Pedro.
And Diva completed a 3-point play. 48 to 43. 5-point lead for Barangay Linienza. Alhas to Carion. Muntikan pa. And out of bounds.
8 seconds shot clock.
Oh, the ball will remain in Barangay San Pedro pala. Mige to Alhas. Floater. What a floater there by Alhas. Shout out Alben Aziz Sabdula. Crossover king of Barangay Tawagan Sur. Go Carpentero. Ang pagbabasket ay para lang nagagawa ng bahay yan. Carpentero sa kalam. Johnson Libelo.
Foul jersey number 7, Mige. Second personal foul.
Mige with his third personal foul of this game. Claver, traveling violation. Traveling without passport. Shout out Brahim Jalali. Halali. Sorry, call. Brahim Halali. De Los Santos now to Alhas. Strip by Claver. Fast break para kay Donya. Another steal by Alhas. Cabarubias nag-isa. Alhas with his 4th steal of the night. Spectacular defensive play there by Alhas. And a good timing para sa bola. Balik sa isa ang lamang ng Linienza. Udin. Low post. Outside to Garces. To Claver. 5-second shot clock. Caber to Resilia. Shout out Saski. O kay Max Sabdani.
First personal foul. Third team foul, San Pedro.
Resilia, second shot is good. Linienza up by 3. Alhas. To Carion. Balik kay Alhas. Fakes. Balik kay nobody. And he thought Carion was still there to catch the ball. Linienza, I think. Team to Claver. An offensive foul called against Diva.
Jersey number 22, Diva, offensive foul. First personal foul.
Alhas to De Los Santos. Balik kay Alhas. To Cabarubias. Two defenders. Mige sa gitna. Bouncing off the rim. And it's good for Mige. Shout out kay Gil Ceniza watching from Barangay Lourdes. Claver to Resilia. Umatake. Falls away. Short ang kanyang fade away. Alhas. Bounce pass sa gitna. Hindi pa nasalo.
Substitution.
Bolotaulo will check in for Barangay Liniensa. Bolotaulo. Turn around. Ball straight from his hands. Buti na lang andyan si Diva to cover up the miss of Bolotaulo. Alhas. De Los Santos for 3. No good. Udin now with a rebound. Passing it to Claver. Team corner 3. And no good. Bolotaulo. And Alhas almost stole the ball in the hands of Bolotaulo. Muntikan pa yun na steal. Panglima na sana yun in the face of his opponent.
Barangay San Pedro. 4 seconds shot clock.
Udin. Long two-pointer. Cabarubias with a rebound. Alhas to Carpentero. To Mige sa ilalim. Baseline shot there for Mige. Daddy M.
Shot clock.
At dalawa na talaga ang bantay ni Diva. Udin, bounce pass para kay Bolotaulo. Basket and a foul for Bolotaulo. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Udin para kay Bolotaulo sa ilalim.
First personal foul. Penalty.
Bolotaulo missing that free throw. Rebounded by Mige. Alhas to Carpentero. Tries to cross. Floater over Bolotaulo is missed. And stolen by Carpentero. Aba, humirit pa si Claver. And Carpentero. Walang nagawa si Claver sa ganda ng opensa ni Carpentero. Team, balik kay Claver. Sa gitna, para kay Diva. Traveling violation by Diva. Another turnover for Barangay Liniensa. Mige behind the back to Cabarubias. What a nice fake! Up and under! Sayang, di pumasok.
Foul jersey number 22. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Liniensa.
54-53, 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Close game for both teams. Hindi nagkakalayo ang score. Udin. Runner. No good. Alhas with the rebound. Now to Carpentero against Claver ulit. Carpentero short for his layup. Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo to Udin. Balik kay Bolotaulo. Good dribbling there by Bolotaulo. Sayang at miss. Agawan ng bola sa baba. Ball will remain in Barangay Linienza.
Ilang ko mga players
Kaya anak ko yun na. Mga plus yun bago manula. Oh, shout out Sir ni Beth Siang, Barangay Tagaliniensa, Purok Kamansi by J.R. Kanda. Go San Pedro, sa lechon mo ko ilagay ang sa naming sardinas. Udin, bagsak si Mige at si Udin. And an offensive foul called against Bolotaulo.
Offensive foul. Both teams go to the respective bench.
Alright, the officials will now review what happened in the game.
Maliyog ko sa mga tao sa entrance, sudlin ninyo gamay. Ayaw tapok ikibuhuyog ang camera. Salamat.
But anyways, physicality is always part of the game. Oy, shout out Anbay Asentista. Ang gwapo ko. Binimog ikaw ang gwapo. Ako, oy, pag-chore diha. Alhas to Carpentero. 10 second shot clock to Carion. One-hander by Carion. And Barangay San Pedro now taking the lead from the one hand by Carion. Now to Udin. Pasi ito Niba. Kuha ni Cabarubias. And taking their time, Barangay San Pedro. Muntikan pang na 8 seconds. Carpentero. To Carion. Balik kay Carpentero. 5 second shot clock. Alhas. And is fouled by Claver.
Foul jersey number 9. Claver.
Penalty situation in both teams.
Both teams.
San Pedro up by 1. Both have 2 timeouts. Alhas nailing his first throw. Second throw. No good. Diva naman ngayon ang nakakuha ng rebound. Bolotaulo attacking. Hangs in the air. Off the glass by Bolotaulo. And we're tied at 56. With 45 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Agawan ang bola sa baba. 20 seconds left. 24. Carrion for the lead. Yes, sir! By Carrion! Basket and a foul with 20 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
All jersey number 22, Udin.
And a foul called against Udin.
Fourth personal foul.
Crucial play there for Carrion.
Barangay San Pedro. Remaining time.
And a timeout called by Barangay San Pedro.
To the ball game.
And back to our ball game from that timeout. 20 seconds. 20.2 to be precise. 56 to 58. Carrion on the line to take the free throw.
Remaining time 20 seconds.
Carrion nailing the free throw. Taking the 3-point lead for Barangay San Pedro.
By Linienza.
And Linienza naman ngayon ang kumuha ng timeout.
Time remaining 20.2 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot.
Dili pwede ma-rebound, ma-shoot lang. Ma-shoot lang ha, dili pwede ma-rebound, ma-rebound. Ano gulo-gulo ang buwan, ma-shoot ra, dahil mo, dili simbol.
20.2 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 56-59. Barangay San Pedro up by 3 points. Galing kay Carrion from that crucial play at na-shoot pa ang free throw.
Shot clock 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot.
Udin. Tim for 3. Bang! Tim! Nailing a 3-pointer for Barangay Linienza. Ties the game at 59. Despite having a heavy defender on his face, Tim with a high arcing shot nails that 3-pointer with 16.2 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Wow! Biglang binawi ng Barangay Linienza ang larong yon. Napahiga na lang si Tim sa ganda ng tira na yon. Wala talagang may alam kung anong mangyayari. As long as there's still time left, the game will continue to play.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
.2 seconds left. Carpentero to Miguel, to Carrion. Basket and a foul for Carrion. Isa na namang spectacular play para kay Carrion. And a chance to make a 3-point play. Miguel with a nice pass para kay Carrion. And Carrion did not disappoint that pass.
Personal foul.
Sabi ko na kanina habang may oras pa, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Miguel, good decision not taking that shot. Dahil nakita niya si Carrion malapit sa ring. And Carrion did not disappoint that pass. Carrion with a shot from the free throw, completing the 3-point play. Final timeout for Barangay Linienza. We still have 11 seconds left. 11.4. What will be the defense strategy of Barangay San Pedro? And at the same time, what will be the offensive strategy for Barangay Linienza here? 11.4 seconds left. San Pedro leading by 3 points. And of course, it's very obvious Linienza will have to tie this game on the 3-point line. Team, balik kay Claver. Balotaulo for 3. And an offensive foul called against Balotaulo as he tries to get a foul.
Okay, no timeout.
.8 seconds. Bola sa Barangay San Pedro. Now to Carpentero, and Carpentero is fouled.
Oh, jersey number 9, Claver.
And a big shout out kay Direk Clodevan Banikid, our very handsome director sa Asenso Sports Channel. Asenso Sports di ay. Asa mga karon Direk, we miss you so much. Uwi ka na dito, hindi na kami galit. Carpentero missing his first throw. Second throw by Carpentero. And no good. Rebounded by Udin. Now to Claver. Time winding down. And Claver missing that game-winning shot for Barangay Linienza. Congratulations to Barangay San Pedro for winning this ball game. What a spectacular play for both teams. 59-62. Congratulations, Barangay San Pedro.
Mayor Sami Ascenso.
Mic check, mic check.
Gagaw na ta. Rodrigo. Maasenso gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa atong first ever Mayor sa Asenso Barangay Cup. Ug karon nahuman na gyud ang ating ka-fourth game which was played by Barangay Linienza versus Barangay San Pedro, and the winner Barangay San Pedro. Ug karon ninyong makita og atong mahinabi ang usa ka banggitang player sa Barangay San Pedro ug usa po ni siya ka 3-pointer sa ilang team. May gabi kanimo sir or gaw. Unsa man ang ako pangutanon tika ko unsa man nga strategy inyong gibuhat sa game karon nga grabe man ka crucial nga para makadaog mo sa team Linyenza nga maayo pod.
Kuara ning gibuhat ra mo among tanan nga makaya dayon kaning focus lang sa dula nga dili may mawala sa kuan nga kaning kuan buhaton lang gyud mo mong makaya ora to.
Wow, so congrats gawno og sa tibuok Team Barangay San Pedro. Basta napakay gusto yung shoutout, especially ang imuhang uyab o ang especially pod ang imuhang ka-team o ang imong coach. Grabe ka proud sa kilid.
Shout out ay kong Pitchleo Munsyon dayon sa akong papa nga tuwa sa Tambuli nga nagluya karon. Shout out dia pa unta galantaw ka karon para simuha ni. Dayon shout out ko sa Team San Pedro nga kanunay nga suporta sa mo. Shout out kong Coach Ralph. Shout out kong kuan ni Jupet Alhas. Morto.
Wow, so once again, congratulations og sa tibok Team San Pedro. Mga kasenso no, ayaw lang magawa kay mobalik ta tiod-tiod para pagadulaon ang ating ka-5th game which will be played by Barangay Balintawak versus Barangay Bulatok. Sa mga kasenso, fasten your seatbelts, relax, and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero. Padayon pag-asenso, pagadian.